Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, so today is Austin's birthday party. He just turned 3 yesterday. I look a hot mess. I've been up since like 5, but I've been like nonstop cleaning and cooking and everything for like the past 3 days. It's been insane. I'm exhausted. I'm just sitting here right now because all I have to really do right now is mop the floors. And I don't want to do it right now because I'm just exhausted. My feet hurt. Like I said, I've been up since 5 this morning. I put the meat. I'm cooking pernil, which is pork shoulder, but it's kind of the way we do it. Instead of like barbecue pulled pork, it's different. But I'm cooking that so low and slow. So I had to put it in low temperature, long time. So it gets all nice and juicy and melts all the fat and everything gets into it and just shreds apart. So good. But I made macaroni salad, potato salad yesterday, deviled eggs yesterday. I made a salad this morning. I made the cheese tray this morning. I made his cake 2 days ago. Like, it was like a 3-4 day process aside from his actual topper that went on the cake, which is posted on my Instagram, Mommy's List. Here's a little bump for you right here. This little nugget right here. There's baby bump. And there's birthday boy. Oh, you're missing your ear.
Miss my ears.
Yeah, there's your ears. Show them. What do you have?
I have my horn.
Your horn? And what's that? Your water cannon? Or what is that called? What's this called? Do you know what that's called?
It's very fire.
The fire extinguisher.
The fire.
Extinguisher fire? Yeah. Extinguisher. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yeah, the house is like completely clean and bare so everybody can fit in here. He's got his, where is it? His firewall, and then I made that fire truck for them, the kids to take pictures with for the fire truck. That's like a photo booth type thing. I'll show you guys while I have room now to record. I'm also doing the gender reveal at his birthday party. So there's his cake with the Marshall Paw Patrol. There's the gender reveal cake. Don't mind my sauce tray. I do love my sauces, so I keep whatever extras they give me, especially this one. It's like my favorite, the honey barbecue, honey roasted barbecue. But there's his cake with all his little patrollers, and then the fire truck on it, which took about 4 hours to make. But then I had my friend fill this cake and put the icing on the outside, and that one was just a pest, and the icing just wanted to melt. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know why it did that, but whatever. It's in the fridge. I put some strawberries and some little jewels on it. I have all the macaroni and potato salad, a regular salad that I made this morning, the eggs there. I leave the cheese tray alone. And he's dying to get a strawberry from this like antipasta tray. It's got ham, cheese, crackers, some fruit. Trying to keep it cold because it doesn't fit in my fridge, and I asked my friend if she could take it and put it in her fridge, but she hasn't answered me back yet. She's supposed to make some room. Hopefully she can. But yeah, I got the pernil in the oven. It's roasting right now. It's cooking. And I got some drinks that my mom's gonna give me a cooler for, and then I have to make rice. And that's it for cooking sequence in the oven. I know it looks like a mess. Oh my god, it smells so good. It looks like a mess right now, but I promise it'll be clean for the party. I've been non-stop cleaning. It's been insane. I've cleaned these floors probably like 100 times.
Mommy, please go find my hat.
Your hat? Your hat's right there.
No, the one that hat.
Yeah, that hat. That's the one you're gonna wear.
No.
Your Paw Patrol hat.
No, the one that
Okay, I'll wear it.
One this hat.
Mommy wear it.
Another hat.
You want the other hat. He wants the one that comes with the set. Yeah, I'm tired, but we'll find out the gender of the baby today. So, yay! I had my appointment the other day, and they were like, you only gained 2 pounds and you're 5 months pregnant. You've only gained 2 pounds. I'm like, okay. And they were like, you should have gained like 10 pounds according to our scale. You should have already gained like 10 pounds. I'm like, what? 10 pounds? I'm like, this lady's crazy. And I was like, well, the first trimester I was like nonstop sick, so I don't know what you're talking about gaining 10 pounds, because that ain't happening. No. But yeah. I gotta like do my hair and get dressed, and I gotta take this bed neat out and flip it so the other side could roast up, which has the skin and the fat on it, so I can get that side to roast up really nice and good for me. My mom's gonna kill me with all the dishes in the sink, but she better know I've been cooking and cleaning all day long, and ain't nobody been helping me. I've been doing it all by myself, so better push it. Stop crying about. So that's my day so far, and I've posted his last year's video of his birthday as well, so yeah, so I figured I'd do this one too, his little happy birthday fire, the thing I made, this little photo booth thing. All right, okay, I'm gonna get off of here so I can record later. Bye, guys.
He's ready, he's ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Austin.
Hey! Happy birthday to you.
No,
He's observing.
the gender cake.
What's this one for?
What's it for?
Okay. You're pregnant.
What? I don't know.
Hold on. You gotta
I'll
take
give
me
you
to a
the, I'll
video.
give you the bad knife,
So wait.
because I like the better knife.
What am I supposed to do with this?
You're just gonna go at an angle with me,
Why am I
and,
gonna
and
hold
we're
her?
gonna.
Don't
You
stab
gotta
me
poke,
knife.
but poke down, because
No
you gotta
wonder
cut
the
the
name is
chocolate.
suffering so much.
Okay,
Everybody ready?
Alright, gender.
What am I supposed to do with a knife?
Hey, it's a boy.
Yay!
Another boy, I know.
Yes!
You got a brother.
You're both friends! I don't have to give up my room. You ready for the cake? Nikki's like, I'm ready to eat cake. Yeah, she's ready to take that one. Alright, you stay there. Alright. Okay, now we'll cut the cake. You want a piece of cake? Alright. Okay, wait. You gotta wait for it.
This mom.
I'm always from Virginia.
I guess I gotta wait for Michael to give me the girl.
And Marshall too.
Yeah, there's Marshall too. Alright. You like Marshall?
You can bring that. I can bring I can breathe now, he says. I can breathe now.
Alright, go sit down. You guys gotta sit down if you want cake. Just a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Alright, hey, go. Okay, go sit down or you're not getting cake. Go sit down, Luna. Luna, go sit down. I'll give you the cake.
Right? That's it, right?
No more. one. There's only one in there.
No, I'm saying after that one. That's
Bring it to you, okay?
Stephanie, the girls coming after this year, right?
Yeah, right. No. No. Yeah. You better go sit down, Diki.
No girls, Stephanie?
No girls. No. Okay, guys, this is aftermath. My voice is gone. Yeah. Cake's destroyed. It's gone. He's got this huge mess with all his gifts. Finally just finished putting out the leftovers in the fridge. My fridge is empty now. I need to do groceries and buy regular stuff because my fridge is now empty. That's the cake. But this thing was packed full. And I forgot to give Papo the Kit Kat bars. I was gonna give it to my mom to give to Papo. Yeah, I'm making me some tea. My voice is gone.
Drink this first.
But yeah. The dogs got to eat really good tonight. Look, they're already sleeping. I already passed out. Ow. I'm making tea, thank you very much. And they can still see my face, even if you turn it off. I wish I had recorded like the food. I had Spanish rice, which I like scraped the bowl clean. I had pernil. I had macaroni salad, potato salad. I don't even know if anybody took pictures of the actual food or not. I have a picture of my plate of food. But that was after everybody left. It was like 7 o'clock. And I finally got to eat. But I still have a big thing of salad left. And then this is going, I think these 3 trays. This is going to Fireman. That's my leftovers with my meat and this extra stuff. This is the fire truck off the top of his cake. Nobody wanted me to cut it, not even Austin. He did not want me to cut it. He said no to give it to the fireman. So I'm gonna see if he still wants me to give it to the fireman tomorrow. Yeah, these are already like cold now because they've been sitting in the fridge forever. And I basically threw all the food in trays and once everybody left, and because after we served food, we did everything fairly quick. The thing that took the longest was probably opening his gifts because he wanted to open each individual toy and outfit, and like my voice is like completely gone right now. It's insane. I don't know how I can do it every single time. Every single time we have a birthday party or something, my voice goes like completely gone. I'm trying to find a spot to put you guys where you don't get this glare, but it's not wanting to work. But yeah, get the spoons. We're just gonna dump a little bit of honey in there. That's about a tablespoon of honey. Just scoop it off the side. This is like really good honey. This is like local honey from right down the road. So I did like a light makeup look today. Had a little bit of extra honey on my side of my finger. I don't want it to get on. You can kind of see my contour there. Okay. Yeah. Just did like a little shimmer eye. You can't really tell with my glasses on. Then I lightly curled my hair and I wore my dress. Maybe help. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this to kind of cool down a little bit. See if I'm like kind of whispering. You can't tell that my voice is gone. But as soon as I try to speak up, it's like, bah, I'm done. So I'm gonna drink some tea and hopefully hope for the best. And hopefully I get my voice back tomorrow. I think that was all the screaming I did because I'm not having a girl, I'm having a boy. So I'm happy. It's so funny. It's like we're both like, oh God, what is it? They were like, yay, it's a boy. He had a lot of really good toys and stuff, a lot of gifts. I'll probably do a little video tomorrow on his little gifts and stuff and what he got for his birthday. It's currently 9:30 right now. This is the aftermath of the cake. It's destroyed, but that's going in the garbage any which way, so I'm not even bugging with it. I'm really happy. Everybody got clothes and shoes, and he got socks, and my mom got him like this cool clock and everything. Really good with that. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna turn this light off. I'll see you guys later, and I'll probably be doing a little clip on what he actually got. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, it's probably like 2:30, 3 o'clock right now, Sunday, and I want to show you everything that he got for his birthday. I'm gonna put it in like sections and then just do like a quicker review. He was very blessed. He got, I think, like 3 firemen's outfits. One's actually like a marshal outfit, but he got a little bit of monies, and I found the comforter that I wanted to get him on sale. So this is one of them. I just bought it today. And so yeah, I'm just gonna kind of do like little video clips of everything that he got because my voice is like completely gone. So if you can't tell by the video, I was like screaming and hooting and hollering and just like loudmouth the rest of the night after we cut the cake. So I'm gonna show you guys what he got. I'm gonna start with the clothes, and then I'll move to like his toys and stuff that he got and his costumes. All right, see you in a bit. He got that's a long sleeve t-shirt with a cape. He got a 3-piece set with some shorts for summertime, another t-shirt, another long sleeve Paw Patrol shirt, which is really cute. It's got Marshall on it. He's got a nice little dress outfit with some really cute jeans, and then he has this sweater, a combo outfit with the jeans, and then she got him these shoes to go with it. And everything's gonna be like so cute together. Those shoes. She got these cute little, this is like Velcro, but easy slip-on shoes are really, really cute. He got a little superhero t-shirt. I asked my friend to get him some socks, and she hooked him up with socks, with 3 packs of socks. I got him this. He's missing one of his shirts that I got him. I don't know what he did with it. And then the one who gave him the socks also got him this like really cool sweatshirt. It's a sweater, and it's got little lions in it, and then it has a lion's head. It's really cute for wintertime. I picked this up at the Babies R Us. It was $2 on sale, and they had an extra 40% off. I got that today. And then one of my really good kid friends that I've known for a long time, he got him this amazing Tommy Hilfiger jacket. It's like a dark navy blue with orange. It's nice and fluffy inside, but it's really, really nice. Yeah, so this is clothes, the outfits. This is a Marshall one. It comes with a backpack. Backpack's right here. Comes with a little backpack. The Melissa and Doug one that my mom got. And then this one that my friend got with a really cute, really cute hat. So I got 3 fireman's outfits. It's crazy. I just got him this Yoda outfit. It was like $2. It's so cute. It's my little Yoda. This is some of the non-clothing items and non-toy items he got. He had a few coloring books. This is like a little, I forgot what those sketchy pads with like ways to draw. My mom got him a clock. He got $2. Nope, has the Spencer. I bought him that hat for his birthday party. It's a little Marshall hat. He was wearing that until he got the other hat, and then he wanted the other But my mom got him these, and it's those collapsible boxes. And it's a set of 2. I think they look exactly alike. They're red. But yeah, they got these little collapsible boxes, and it's a set of 2. The other one he has his toys in it. And then I got that bag, and I'll be done. I found the other shirt I got him. So I got him this shirt in the dollar store. I got him this little plate. I got him this bag, and I got him that bag at the dollar store. I got these at the dollar section in Target. Just little books that you can read. You can read to them. These I found at Walmart. $10 for the little slippers. So you can wear those. And then my mom got him this cup. I don't know where, but it has a little food compartment thing. And a little sip. I got this one at the dollar store as well. He got a hat. Marshall wintertime hat. And then my mother-in-law found these at the dollar store. The little wall decals. So I figured I could buy a canvas and put them on because my walls are textured. So it wouldn't work. So besides like 4 or 5 toys that he got, like big toys, he got some build blocks, like the big Lego block pieces, but they fit with they're Paw Patrol cars. It's a Paw Patroller, it's Rubble's car and Chase's car, but they work with those big jumbo blocks. So these kind of size. The ones like this, the big blocks, yeah. He got those 3 cars, and then he got a little fire truck, which he's playing with right now. That's like the little Ike's brand. It's a fire truck with the little squishy animals and the firemen that go with it. And he got some like regular Hot Wheel cars, and I think that was it for toys that he got. And then, of course, like I said, I went to Target and I got him this bed set. And it's the pirate one. And it was on sale from $40 to $20. So that's basically like half off right there. So from $39.99 to $19.99 for a full size. Which I plan on making the guest bed his bed. So works perfect because he has his own comforter now. Also, since it's like 5 days after Halloween, there's a ton of candy on sale, so I just grabbed a bag with Skittles and M&M's and Starburst. I know my husband will eat those. I got those today with the comforter set. I found this for Thanksgiving, a little towel, but it's got like a pumpkin pie recipe on it. It was $1.75. I thought it was cute, so I got it any which way. This big bag was only like $2.50 for the big bag. 1 pound of candy. And then these, I got these for my mom because she loves candy corn, and they were only 80 cents. Yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks everybody for posting and saying happy birthday on my Instagram. And yeah, if you say happy birthday, thank you for saying happy birthday. But yeah, I'm gonna slowly change this to the nursery and his bed. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. But yeah, he's got like a ton of toys. All of his outfits came like with attachment pieces. And then one of his t-shirts came with this airplane. And this one I did not notice. It's got cake all over it, so I have to wash it now. But yeah, no. Oh, and I got him this coloring book. It was $1 at Michael's. I got it for him. But yeah, I need some tea. And to clean the rest of this house. It's a mess. thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, everything. Find me on Instagram, Mommy's List, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.